Located in the village of Mukwonago, a close-knit Midwest community situated about 30 miles west of Milwaukee, is J&R Engineering Company, the innovators of world-renowned LIFT-N-LOCK Hydraulic BOOM Gantries and LIFT-N-LOCK Crawler Transporters. Founded in 1978 as a professional engineering and consulting firm that served the crane manufacturing industry, J&R has evolved into a prominent equipment design and manufacturing company that offers its own proprietary line of premier lifting equipment. J&R provides seismic analysis, AutoCAD, and 3D modeling to solve some of the world's most complex engineering problems. Considered by many to be the company that invented the modern gantry market, J&R continues to produce gantries that have become a standard lifting tool in today's complicated construction industry. Because of their cost-effectiveness and incredible lifting capacities, gantries are ideal solutions for working in confined spaces or low overhead areas. Typically requiring less of an investment than traditional mobile or overhead cranes, while still being able to perform many of the same tasks, gantries are versatile solutions that can be customized specifically for whatever it is that needs lifting. Over the years, many of the companies that have used J&R gantry lifts have won awards, including the Specialized Carriers and Riggers Association's coveted Job of the Year. J&R designed and built the first ever tracked spent fuel dry cask transporter and was awarded with the prestigious Wisconsin Governor's Award twice in recognition of this product's groundbreaking design. At the core of J&R Engineering is process integration. J&R believes that a close incorporation between the engineering and manufacturing processes leads to consistently successful results. The way it approaches each lifting and engineering problem is unique and takes into consideration the specifics of the job at hand. J&R believes wholeheartedly in building what the customer needs, not what J&R wants to build. And that difference has led to long-lasting relationships that have spanned time, jobs, and continents. By spending time in the field, watching and learning from its customers, J&R has developed an understanding that leads to new innovation and new opportunities. This ongoing dialogue between its engineers and customers ensures that each product J&R builds aspires to the highest standards possible. J&R Engineering's two primary products are hydraulic boom gantries and crawler boom gantries, also known as the crawler transporter. Each product features J&R's exclusive LIFT-N-LOCK cam locking technology, which provides true continual load protection throughout the duration of the lift. In the unlikely event a lift cylinder would lose pressure or otherwise fail, the LIFT-N-LOCK system would immediately engage to hold the load in place. Because anything that can be put on and transported by a truck can essentially be lifted with a gantry, J&R's gantries have been successfully used in a variety of industries. In the power generation field, gantries are often used at power plants for the offloading or loading of generators, large turbines, and transformers. In the automotive industry, gantries are typically used for the assembly and disassembly of stamping presses in auto manufacturing facilities. And in the plastic mold injection field, gantries are many times used to install or remove enormous plastic mold injection presses. Because such a high lift capacity is offered in such an incredibly small package, J&R's line of gantries are practical solutions to jobs that sometimes seem completely impractical. Using state-of-the-art AutoCAD drawings to simulate the lift prior to commencing work, the press line removal job showcases J&R's comprehensive pre-lift planning process. This specialized automotive industry project involved the relocation of two 700-ton stamping presses at a Ford automotive plant in Melbourne, Australia. Using J&R Engineering's LIFT-N-LOCK 1100 series gantry with a 550-ton lifting capacity, the client was able to move two presses weighing 200 metric tons each. With a height of 29 feet, a width of 15 feet, and a depth of 6.5 feet, each of the stamping presses posed challenges based on their size. But due to the gantry's impressive lifting capability, the project was completed successfully and on schedule. As the needs of the industry continue to become more complex, J&R Engineering continues to innovate unique solutions. This 235 metric ton generator project took place in Queensland, Australia at a power plant and was unique in the fact that it used two gantries to accomplish the generator's placement. The project called for the generator to be lifted 14 meters above the ground. Once suspended, the generator needed to travel forward, where it would ultimately be lowered into its final position. To accomplish this task, the client utilized J&R's LIFT-N-LOCK 1100 series gantry with a 550-ton lifting capacity. The second LIFT-N-LOCK gantry, a Series 700 with a 350-ton capacity, was used as a support upon which to rest the generator. At that point, the 1100 series gantry could be lowered so as to shorten the rigging for the second lift to be able to easily clear the foundation floor and travel forward. The dimensions of this job were 29 feet in length, 11 feet in width, and reached a height of 10 feet. J&R's crawler transporter, also known as the crawler boom gantry, is used to lift and transport ventilated storage casks containing spent nuclear fuel assemblies. It allows the user to lift and travel with the load, relying completely on its own power. By integrating J&R's advanced lift-and-lock boom design with the crawler track undercarriage and its own fossil fuel powerhouse, J&R Engineering has been able to secure autonomy and offer the strongest capacities available in lifting and propelling mechanisms. J&R Engineering designed and built the first ever tracked spent fuel dry cask transporter in the 1990s. This patented unit, which was equipped with gantry booms and rated at 135 tons at the time, was built for Wisconsin Electric Power Plant's Point Beach Nuclear Plant in 1994. This pioneering configuration allowed the transporter and cask to pass through a limited-size existing doorway, and J&R Engineering was awarded the prestigious Wisconsin Governor's Award in 1995 in recognition of this product's groundbreaking design. For over 35 years, J&R Engineering has been the technical leader in the hydraulic gantry field. With new products that are constantly boasting new height and load capacities, J&R Engineering will be accomplishing sophisticated engineering feats for years to come. J&R Engineering, the difference is engineering.